may want to just get a tractor first and what I'm about to show you. Get all my gear, put it in the big tool rack and just keep it there and go, and I'll get way more done. Everything else is in all the compartments, all put away nice and neat. When you hook it up to your 3-point, just back up, pick it up. You can lift your legs up and just take off. Everything that I need is right on it and I'm ready to go. When you work during the day and you're trying to get something done at night, anything you can do to save yourself a few minutes, so it works out really well. The LogOX 3-in-1 forestry tool. Now I have used this a lot over the last couple months. It's a very handy tool for when I'm out cutting firewood. You don't have to bend over so far when you're cutting, helps save my back a little bit. And 2, it keeps your chainsaw chain out of the dirt. Even though you're careful, if you're cutting logs right on the ground, it's gonna happen. I have found since I started using the granite grapples, when I can get a tractor out here, when I'm just using the LogOX, I have to sharpen my chain a lot less often. It's very beneficial if you can keep it off the ground. Now, using it as a log lifter is beneficial because you don't have to bend over very far at all. You could produce a lot of firewood in a hurry with that Wolfe compact commercial splitter right there. I'm really impressed, I really am. I'm telling you, it splits so fast, in a matter of minutes, you got wood all around you split and ready to go. This thing here is the real deal, no doubt about it.